So when we're trying to lesson plan and get things done, we're trying to be as productive as possible, and every single click matters. So today I want to share an extension with you that was recently pushed out to your account. So I have an article right here. It's about the Michael Jordan era of the Chicago Bulls, and I want my kids to read it. So normally I would have to go up here to the address bar, copy it, go into Google Classroom, paste it, and go through all the assignment creation stuff from there. This extension is going to save you some time. So you'll see up on my bar, I have the little Google Classroom logo. I'm going to go ahead and click that. It's the Share to Classroom extension. It's going to then load all the classes I'm listed as a teacher of. Go ahead and choose one. If you teach multiple and you want to share this to multiple, I'll show you where to do that in a moment. And then this screen should look very familiar because these are all the options that we have in Classroom. So you can create assignment, ask a question, make an announcement. I'm going to create an assignment. Down here where it says for, this is where I can select multiple classes. So if I wanted to send it to more than just one. And then of course here you have the all students, so you can differentiate and just send to a few kids, all your kids, whatever you need. You can go ahead and give this a title, goals, instructions, this, and respond to the question. Type right. And then what you'll notice is down here under materials, the extension has got the URL and already dropped it in there for you. So you don't have to do that step. From here you go, points, due date, topic, all that fun stuff. You can assign, or much like in Classroom, you can schedule or save this draft. I'm just going to go ahead and click assign. It's going to do some work in the background, and then it's going to say you've posted to your class. Now, from here, if I wanted to keep going, I could just close this and keep going. I'm going to click on view just to show you what it looks like. It's going to open up Google Classroom, go directly to my stream, and you'll see here it's posted a new assignment, bowls. I click on there, I go to instructions, and ta-da, everything that I did in the extension up here has been pushed to Classroom. So not a tremendous, huge change of what you're doing, but something just to kind of save you a little bit of time. This works with websites, YouTube videos, pretty much anything that has a URL that you could attach as a material in Classroom. If you need any help or have additional questions, feel free to drop a note in YPIC's help desk in Slack, and someone will get back to you. Thank you.